Good evening. After carefully reviewing the sequence, text, structure, intervention during interactive book reading of expository picture books with preschool children with language impairment article, I summarized that this study was an outcome of an interactive book reading intervention. It was a study on small groups of preschool students on their ability to follow along or actually use text structure in order to doing interactive book reading, especially with impairment. The key terms for this article was early intervention, expert, exploratory text, language impairment, preschool text structure, vocabulary, knowledge, um, language of exploratory text. And those were just to name a few. The things I think you need to know is this study was done on a small group intervention by 4 practitioners, 2 early childhood special education teachers, and 2 speech language pathologists. This was a 3 times per week for 8 weeks program. It was done for preschool age, 6 preschool age children that's ages 3 years, 1 month to 4 years and 9 months. And they also had language impairments. The intervention use of language facilitation strategies during the intervention book reading and extension activity of reading for promotion of understanding of signal words related to the sequence text structure was a big part of this study. Things that educators could do in order to implement this into their classroom, they can actually use interactive book readings. They can use the text structure protocol in order to actually see if that is more effective for their impairment students. 2 suggestions for parents is whatever is practiced. 1 suggestion is whatever is practiced at school, make sure it is maintained at home. The second thing is to ask your teacher about this option in order for your students to be well prepared and well educated. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.